Just as a seasoned barista knows that crafting the perfect cup of coffee requires precision, patience, and a touch of magic, so too does protecting the digital world from the shadows that lurk within its vast networks. In the tale of Midnight Blizzard's recent infiltration into Microsoft's Sanctum, we find a story of sophistication, stealth, and the ongoing battle between cybersecurity guardians and digital marauders. Before we dive into this brew, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to our channel for the most up-to-date news. In the dimly lit corners of the digital world, Midnight Blizzard, also known as APT29, a group as elusive as the perfect espresso shot, managed to pierce through Microsoft's defenses. This breach wasn't just about accessing trivial data. It was akin to uncovering the secret blend that gives a coffee its soul. They gained access to source code and some customer secrets, ingredients that, if misused, could lead to a bitter taste in the mouths of many. In response to this breach, Microsoft, much like a master coffee roaster who discovers a flaw in his beans, took immediate steps to refine their security measures. They enhanced their digital defenses and began the meticulous process of notifying those impacted, ensuring that the integrity of their data remained uncompromised. It was a reminder that vigilance is key in both coffee making and data protection. As we ponder the broader implications of this digital heist, it becomes clear that the landscape of cybersecurity, much like the world of coffee, is ever-evolving. For Microsoft, the lesson is as clear as a freshly brewed cup of light roast. Innovation in security practices is not just beneficial, it's essential. The company now stands at a crossroads with the opportunity to lead the charge in developing new, more robust security measures that could very well shape the future of digital defense, ensuring that the next time a blizzard brews, it'll find a fortress, not a welcoming hearth. As we wrap up this tale of digital intrigue and caffeinated comparisons, let's remember the ongoing dance between security and vulnerability. In the world of coffee and cybersecurity, the only constant is change, and staying ahead requires both a respect for the past and a keen eye on the future. So, as Microsoft charts its course through these turbulent waters, let us all stay tuned for what promises to be an enlightening journey. My fellow seekers of the hidden truths, delving into the internet's most shadowy corners is a task both time-consuming and wearying. Why not buy this old storyteller a cup of coffee so I may continue my nocturnal researches for your intrigue? If your heart calls you to contribute, the pathways to support us, via PayPal, Bitcoin, or credit cards through Stripe, lie waiting in the video description. Your generosity fuels our explorations into the night. For those who tread with us in spirit or in contribution, your companionship is the greatest treasure. Do share in the comments below if there lurks another dark tale you wish to unveil together. I thank you for your company on this journey into the shadows. Farewell for now, and I shall await your return in our next video, where we'll continue to tread the hidden paths of the unknown.